Now, unlike when you're restrained in a car or a truck or a vehicle that actually has physical protection, ATVs are very different. So often what we see in ATV accidents are very serious injuries, and there's a variety of reasons for that. First of all, high speed is an issue, lack of restraints, and then what you collide with. Again, in comparing to cars where you're restrained, there are airbags, and there's a physical structure to protect you. So often what we see following a collision is the operator or the passenger being ejected off of the vehicle. And when they're ejected off the vehicle at high rates of speed, bad things happen. We also see when people are ejected off the vehicles that they collide with stationary objects like rocks, trees, even buildings. So following an ATV accident, unfortunately, we do see some of the most horrendous injuries. I've represented many people with severe brain injuries, broken bones, soft tissue injuries, you name it. But any time you have high rates of speed with no protection, bad things can happen. Most users of ATV vehicles do use helmets, which is a good thing. But even with helmets, you can still sustain very significant brain injury. So those are some of the things that are some of the reasons why ATV accidents lead to very serious injuries. So following an ATV accident, and I'm going to assume for this discussion that the vehicle is in fact insured. And there's a whole discussion about whether or not ATVs are required to be insured, and I won't get into that. But assuming the vehicle is insured, most accident victims, provided you're not at fault for the accident, do in fact have two different avenues of recovery. Now, under your insurance policy, an ATV is considered a motor vehicle, and a motor vehicle allows you to have access through the insurance policy to what are called statutory accident benefits. Now, statutory accident benefits are designed to provide you, the victim, with interim benefits in the form of, for instance, an income replacement benefit, but it also provides you with medical treatment or attendant care services. Now, the accident benefit system has a variety of rules that you have to follow in order to get access to those benefits. But through a law firm or even yourself, you can simply fill out the forms, but obviously a law firm can assist you. Now, the second avenue of recourse is what's called a tort claim. And a tort claim is where you sue the at-fault driver or property owner, because sometimes the fault doesn't lie only with the operator of the vehicle. There may be another vehicle involved. There may be dangerous premises that caused the accident, even a hidden hazard. So there are a variety of reasons in how lawyers go about determining who's at fault for the accident. Provided you're not at fault or even only partially at fault, most accident victims have what's called a tort claim. And a tort claim is where you're able to commence a lawsuit against the at-fault party or the owner or the operator of the vehicle or the property owner, whoever it may be, for a variety of damages. Those damages can include pain and suffering, lost income, future healthcare expenses, and many other types of damages that most people will need for their recovery and their future.